How is everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. So, are we ready for page 3? I'm ready for page 3. There will be a playlist. Hello, Jackie boy. Look how big my Jackie boy has gotten. He's gotten so much bigger. Yes, a man. He's 3 months old. Aren't you, Jack? Yep. And he's getting into everything and he drives me bonkers. Bella, his sister, she's somewhere. I don't know where she's at. They're both a handful, but I love them. Anyway, back to the crafting. I'll have a playlist at the end of the video in case you've come in the middle or whatever. So no problem. And again, we're doing whatever we do on page 3, we'll do on page 8, page 8, right? We're mirroring. And so I'm using my template that I created, the Serenity template. And I created it for cutting machines, specifically the Scan and Cut, because that's what I have. So I've used the Scan and Cut to cut all of this. Now, so with that said, let me tell you what we're going to need for page 3. We're going to need page 8, which is the page I was just talking about. And I've already created a flip with it. And because this one was a little bit too long, I was going to flip it to the left. Remember, if the albums are going to the left, and all the ones that I am filming are going to the left side of the album, then I put everything on the left. Like the flips will flip to the left, and the pockets will go to the left. If it's going on the right, everything's going to flip to the right, and the pockets are going to go to the right. So what I did, though, is I decided so that this would fit properly, is I went ahead and cut it. Well, I thought I'd cut it. Well, let me cut it again. It needs to be trimmed just a little bit, so that we can flip it up, and therefore, let's see, it should, oh my goodness, really? There we go, just trim it like that. Alright. Yeah, there we go. There. See? It fits now. Okay. So, so we've got that. I just need to put tape on there. And I've got the mat. This is going to be the mat. And this is going to be the mats for that. Now, I'm going to put a belly band on the front of the flip there. So I have belly band A from page 14. So just move this out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and score it. I'm going to show y'all again, when you use the Scan and Cut, this is how it turns out. And go ahead and score it 1/2 inch. Now here, it didn't quite, some of the paper was not there, so, but I still know where I pretty much need to score it because of the way that the tabs look. Let me just go ahead and double check to make sure that that is going to fit. Yep, it does. Alright, so we've got that, so I just need to put tape on that. Now, we're going to also be using the Fancy, Pocket C Fancy on page 12. Now this one, when you score it, you're going to go 1/2 inch, and it's a little bit harder to tell, but just go your 1/2 inch and you'll be a-okay, right? So if you score your 1/2 inch, you'll be fine. Now, when you do that, ew, what is on there? You might have to trim the top off a little bit. Oh, that looks like we're good. Maybe just a smidgen. Maybe go. We'll just notch it like so. All right. So this one again, we're going. Let me get my page. We're going to be going. I want it on the right hand or the left hand side, right? So the way that I have it now, I just need to change the direction of the tabs, right? Now, when I cut out this mat, what I did was I used the mat that I had printed out testing to make sure that everything was good to go. So, nope. Or did I? I thought I did. No, I didn't. I just printed it out. I think on this one, did I go upside down? One of them I had to put the paper upside down so that it would mirror to fit this. I can't remember if this was it or not. I'm sorry. I should have written that down. Okay. Now, let's put this side together, shall we? Alright, so we have a flip. So we're going to need a magnet before we mat stuff. So let me get my tape. I'm going to go ahead and put tape on this part. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the page. Alright, and now I'm going to get my magnets. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I think it's sweet. Oh, I love it. All right. So it's going to go into the book like this. So we're going to flip it over. All right. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to just set this over to the side. Because now we're going to be really creating things here. Okay. I loved how in my my wedding album, how I did the double pockets, but then they were kind of like, you know, doors. So we're doing that again. We're gonna do it again. So for this side, these are pocket G on page 11, and you're gonna need 4 of them for each page, so 8 altogether. And then we're also going to need Fancy Pocket E, which is on page 13. So we're going to use that, and then here's my base page mat. It's going to be cute. I think it's going to be cute. All right, so let's build these. Again, I want to just remind you, I know I've said this like 100 times and I'll probably quit saying it. But we just score at 1/2 inch. Right? And these pockets should be half of the page. So we should get really good doors with these. And then I'm gonna sometimes, because you know it's just paper and things can go awry, it could be a little bit too long, so I like to go back and just notch the little corners just so that it closes better. All right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do this with one set. So we're going to put it together like it is a pocket. So we're going to not need these on one. We're not going to need the smaller tabs. But on one of them, you need all 3 tabs. One of them, you need just the long tab and not the short tab, because we're going to put the pockets together, right? And then we're going to make it into a door, a hinge. Yay! All right, there we go. So first thing I want to do is I want to put the pockets together. So I'm going to go ahead and put tape on all the tabs. So, okay, so I'm back, and what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and just make the pocket like I'm making a pocket. Right. And then what I want to do is I'm going to use some glue stick just in case we need to move this a little bit. Now I want to take this pocket and I'm just going to lay it, let's see, how do I want it to go on my page? Yeah, I think I want it to flip like that. So we're going to just lay the pocket on top of the other pocket, line it up the best that we can. I think I'm gonna go up at the top and line it that way. Okay, there we go. All right. All right, and we're gonna do the exact same thing with this other guy. Okay, so now what I want to do is oh poo. I do that every time. I always put one on. Oh, no, I didn't. I did it right. Yay, me! See, we should be able to fit it. Yay. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So we need to, though, put a magnet so that they will, you know, shut. So I'm going to put a magnet on both of these and then in the middle there. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. What do y'all think? Oh, I love it. I'm in love. Alright, so that's it for page 3. It's ready to go into the album. Yay! So I'm going to put it in the album. I'm going to do page 8. And then I'll be back with page 4. Oh, it's coming along, 2 more pages. And then we get to do the most exciting part, and that's embellish. Which I'm not going to probably embellish a whole lot. Not like I normally would. So, but we will embellish. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it inspired you. So, yeah. Yay. Alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, we appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all. Y'all be good to one another. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.